Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about that why we feel shy when we speak English language, because you have the ability to speak the English language, but when it comes to speak the language, some people feel shy while speaking in front of the masses. And how we can overcome this shyness to deliver a good lecture in English language, because you know that English is the international language, and it is very necessary whenever you go in some celebrations. There you will have to give the lecture in English language, and if you have the ability to speak the English language, you can speak English language in loneliness. But when it comes to speak English in masses, then you feel shy, and then at that time you speak very bad English, because you lack the confidence. How to get the confidence? Actually, when you see the people, you are feeling that perhaps I will make some kind of mistakes while speaking, and other will judge me, and they will perhaps laugh at me. This is the reason that you feel shyness while speaking the English language in front of the masses. So I think that speak English in front of the masses without any kind of hesitation, because keep in your mind that English is not your first language if you are speaking English as a non-native English speaker. So please keep in your mind that English is not your first language. This is a second language. You have learnt this language by reading the books, by listening the English language videos, news, other programs. So if you make some kind of mistakes, then it's okay. The masses, those are sitting in front of you, perhaps they are not able to judge you. You are thinking that they will judge me. If you make some kind of mistakes, perhaps the other will not judge you. But this is your mentality, that you are thinking that they will judge me, and then they will laugh at me. No, 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 no. The people, those have the ability to judge you, are very good people. They will teach you in loneliness. They will guide you that in your speech this point was not good. So please correct this point in next time. Only those people laugh who don't know the English language, who lack the knowledge. The people with full of knowledge never laugh at others. They try to correct others, not in the masses, but when they meet you in loneliness. So have confidence, get courage, and speak in front of the masses without any kind of hesitation or any kind of fear. When you will get this kind of confidence, then I think that things will become very easy for you. Only you are feeling shyness that I am not good in English language, perhaps others are good. No, 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 no. There are so many masses, so many people sitting in front of you, and you are giving the lecture, and it does not mean that they all are good in English language. Only some people might be good in English language. Mostly are not good in English language, because I think that some people say that we can learn English language in some days, because no, it takes time to master English language, to become a master in English language. So everybody is not reading the English language or improving their English language. Some people can listen good English language. They can't speak the good English language. Some people can write very good English language, but they can't speak the good English language. So these are the suggestions. With the help of these suggestions, you can improve yourself, and you can deliver a very good lecture in front of the masses. And to overcome your shyness, get the courage, and get confidence. When you will feel yourself confident, then you will deliver beautiful lecture in front of the masses without any kind of shyness. Hope you find this video useful. In next video I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, and before leaving, please subscribe to this channel so that you never miss our other videos. I Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.